Go girl, tres leches. Yeah, shoot, Baba. Shoot. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, bow, bow. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the Cool Mom Vlogs. Whew. I'm well rested. That's one thing I can say. Nonetheless, welcome back. It's a new day. Right now we are in Boston. I woke up and I'm actually headed to Whole Foods. It's about 5-6 minutes away from the B&B. And so I'm just taking this quick walk here in the snow to get just a few things we're gonna need for the day. And that's about it. Snow is coming down, but I'm moving quickly. Make it there, make it back. Yeah, let me show you guys the little area I'm walking in. Okay. Not really too much to see. Nonetheless, let me keep it pushing and let's get into this day. Bye-bye. Alright, I think we're getting closer. I found it. I have arrived. Alright, let me get through this parking lot, get in this store, grab these things, and head back. So check this out. Initially, I was packing boots, and then I was trying to figure out some outfits, and yeah, I ended up packing 2 pairs of sneakers. So this is what I'm stuck with. Making the best of it though. Alright, let's go. What's up, guys? Okay. Say hi. All right, so I might have had you in there. I don't know. All right, so we are at the B&B right now. Okay. We done had our breakfast. Oh, Papa. We hung out for a little bit, but now we're getting dressed, and it's time to start our day. We're gonna get into something real fun, right? Tell them. And we're gonna take you guys along. So stay tuned. We'll be back. All right, guys, we are all dressed, and we're headed out to catch, literally to the world, catch this lift, and then going on today's adventure. Yes. Yeah, it's been a pretty good day so far. There's that snow outside. We're just about to get into this day and enjoy it. Come on. All right, guys, we have arrived. Lego Discovery Center. This is a whole strip of outlets. And I'm sure a whole lot of other things. So we'll figure it out. Have tickets. All right, guys, we've arrived. We're gonna get cozy. We're about to get ready to have a good time. You ready to have a good time, Papa? You wanna get out, Papa? Ready to have a good time? What are you looking for?
Batman.
Lord, this is gonna be hard.
You can build your person. You want to build your own person? Yeah?
No, Batman.
Which one do you want? Let's build your own person. Look. Hey. Feet it down. Feet on the ground. Which one are you building? Take one. That one? Okay, let's go build it. Come on.
This place is so cool, guys. So cool. Let me see. Let me see, Puppy. Let me see him. Oh, he's so cute. He's trying to put it in. I didn't realize you had made him one.
Come, Papa, look.
So this would be the hair.
Look, fire hat. Look, Papa, look, fire hat. Look, let me see. Look, fire hat.
So
Look,
did you get the hair? These all have hair.
look, Papa, look, fire truck.
You gotta put some hair on his head.
No, he got the fire truck. The fire truck look hard.
Let me
Look,
see,
yeah, the
Papa.
fire truck look hard.
Oh yeah, little construction worker thingy.
That's a cool one, though. You gotta get some good looking hair, though. Yay.
Let me see. Let me see it. Thank you. I'm trying to tell him you just want to touch.
Look, Papa. Okay, all right.
Okay, that's what you wanted to do.
Okay. Yeah, that's enough. We have
Still looking for something?
I'm trying to make this look goofy, but it's not working.
She's trying to make hers look goofy. It's not working.
You could do this.
Okay. All right, so then they have this photo experience here. Go ahead and touch it to begin. Scan below. And we're gonna take a picture.
Is it a long train ride?
Hello. Can he come? Oh, okay, cool. Ready? Let's do this. Where we gotta hit him with? Oh, this.
Yeah, the gun.
It's laser. Here, Papa. Here, Papa. There you go, Papa.
Yeah,
Go,
pow,
go,
pow.
go. Ah. Go, Papa, go.
He gonna have a ball at this. We might need to
Yes.
sit down.
Good job, Papa. Hold on, push him back a little bit. He's sliding. My leg holding him a little bit.
Yeah, shoot, Baba. Shoot. Bow, 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 bow. Bow,
Woo.
bow, 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 bow. Bow, bow, look. Bow, bow, bow.
Good. Look at everything, Papa. Look. I'm coming. Ooh, what do they have here? Ooh, Legos. Look, you're pushing me? Look. You take the Legos here, Papa. Look. You stick them. You stick them here. All right, guys, so we're in this really cool area now. This park's called the Hero Zone. And they have small little miniature sections where you can like build your own like Lego things. It's very, very interactive. But so far so good. All right, go ahead. Go, 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 go. He's scared. Look, he's looking at the little, look, he's scared of the duck. I would have been up in that thing, running around, up and down, wearing myself out. What? Are you having fun? Red. Press. I just want you guys to know this is far more than what we expected, okay? But we're having a ball. It's good to see all the things that you can make out of Legos. So many different interactive things for the kids to do. Definitely a good look.
Hey.
You said it was fun. I just wish that they had it was just a little bit longer. Oh, that was so cute. Mm-hmm. Come on, Papa. Come on. All right, let's go bye-bye.
Okay, let me go get the stuff because we gotta go out this way.
Oh,
you wanna go get it?
All right, guys, it's a wrap. We're now leaving the Lego Discovery Center. As you guys can see, there was lots to do. We had a ball, and the adventure continues.